Hello friends, welcome again. This is my new project, Dress Rental System. I have developed this project in PHP and MySQL. I am using PHP version 7 and the MySQL version is 5.6. So this is a web application. So for front-end development, I have used HTML, CSS and JavaScript and some of the jQuery library. I am using the Jam server for running this project. I am using also Visual Studio Code ID for writing the codes. So these all technology stacks I have used for developing this project, dress rental system. So let's start the functionality of the project which developed inside the project. So the project title is dress rental system and this is a mini project. There is a only customer operation. There is no admin operation in this project. In this project, only customer can book dress for rent. So that's why this is a mini project. If you need major project, we can develop it with admin operation also. Once you run this project, this is a home page. This is a static home page, nothing dynamic in this page. This is a about us page. This is also a static page. If you want to change the content, then you can change from the about.php and index.php. This is a book a dress page. Without login, customer can't book dress for rent. So customer has must user account. If customer has not account, he will be able to register from here from the registration page. This is a registration page. Okay. This is a dress list page. You can see all dresses. This is a dynamic page. All dresses are coming from the database. If you click on it, you can see all the details of the address and you can also book the dress for rent. So this is a registration page. As I explained you earlier, this is a login form. Here customer can log in. This is a contact us page. This is a static page. Customer can fill the form, but we are not saving any details and even we are not sending any type of email or message from this page. So this is a static page. Now I am going to log in. So username is customer and the password is test. Once the login inside the system, you will get home page again. Now click on the book address. Now I'm going to book a dress for rent. This is a pickup date. Now pickup date I think 22nd November and a drop off date 25th November. Click on the search dress. You can see all of the dresses are available here which available on this date. If you want to book this dress, just click on it, book your dress. Here you need to fill this form like a name, just a mobile number XYZ. You can enter like a ID number and click on the book my dress at the rate gmail.com. Click on book my dress. You can see this is the details of the booking dress. You can print the details here also. You can check. You can see. So this is a flow for booking a dress for rent. See, this is an address from where you want to collect your dress. This is a booking ID, name, mobile number, and the ID number from date to date, store name, store contact, and the store address. So this is, you can see the details of the booking dress. This is a my account section. Here customer can update his for his details, and this is a change password page. Here customer can update his password, and this is the logout option. Logout option. So this is a session driven menu. It will come according to the user session side. If I log out, then you can see upper menu has been changed because of session driven. So this is a mini project. Only customer can log in. If you need major project with admin functionality, just put it into the comment box. We can develop according to your requirements. So please don't forget subscribe our channel. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Thank you very much.